cold cheddar, so bomb, she the bumpy. Hairstyle, lifestyle, vlogs on the way. What's up, friends? We have some nail mail. I'm sorry if that was annoying, but I thought it would be kind of funny. Well, let's get to what you came here for. This unboxing of this really cool professional nail system that I got off Amazon. I'll try and share the link below. So excited to use this skin tone color. Have some nails, a lamp, and some other important things, a file, and a nice brush. The brush on one end and the spatula on the other end, some foundation and top coat. The cords on these small lamps are pretty small usually, but I don't know, I think this one is okay for the lamp. So happy to get the curved and the straight dual forms. A blessing. The curved ones, I tried it before and it was just a no-go. And that's the whole kit. So I'm gonna try to use this bad boy, but first, look at some other new stuff I got. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It has extra slots, so I can combine the two cases if I want, if I needed to travel. Just the bomb. Got some new files and buffers. And although this lamp is small, I mean, in case of an emergency, you can do what you gotta do. And this beautiful sparkly envelope has the best instruction manual I have ever seen, okay? Skip forward to 244 if you're not interested, but I'm going through every page because they have a description for everything. How to just manicure the nails, how to apply the polygel, how to apply designs, jewels, and just more. I really enjoyed that book. That's going to be handy for me as a beginner nail tech. And onto those beautiful polygel colors. Excuse this little notebook paper I have, but it's the best thing I had to show this example so you can get a really good view of all these beautiful colors. We have skin tone, bean red, dark pink, natural pink, white, and clear. I'm here for all the different colors. And I mean, since you're here, why not watch me do my nails? Don't worry, it won't be long at all. Happy to finally be getting the hang of these dual forms. Practice, practice, practice. And they don't always turn out the best, but I mean, when it does, it's a good day. Woo-hoo! Look at that nail, baby. So I'm using the tube, right? And wondering why is my hand feeling sticky? And it burst open. Yeah, it sure did burst open all over my hands. So I'm gonna try to use what's spilled out. Comment below if this has happened to you before. I really wanna know. And hope for the best. Y'all, this opened so, just so much that, I might as well just use it from the damn home bottom. I just don't even know to do with this. This is just crazy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.